Now it's time to ice some cookies. So I poured some of my flood consistency icing into this bowl, and I'm just gonna dip my cookies into that icing. Be prepared, your fingers are gonna get messy. Just have a towel nearby to wipe them off when you're done. So here we go. Just dunk it right into that nice, smooth royal icing. And there we go. So I'm just gonna put that down on my surface, clean off my fingers. And if you see any air bubbles, now's the time to pop them. They can mar the surface of your beautifully decorated cookie. So next, I'm gonna use some more flood consistency icing. Now this is called a wet on wet technique, and I'm just going to drizzle that over the top of the cookie. You wanna work relatively quickly. You don't want that icing to start to dry out, otherwise it can get crumbly. So here we go. Just gonna drizzle this right on top of the cookie, and I'm gonna use sort of an irregular zigzags pattern. That part is up to you. It doesn't really matter what shape or design you use, because we're gonna swirl this with the toothpick. Step number 2, toothpick. And we're just gonna swirl that around on the icing. You can see right away it's making really pretty, unique swirl patterns in the icing. And there you go. How easy was that? That's a great design, and the sky is the limit with the patterns that you can create. All right, so now I have a little triangle cookie. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna dip it in my flood icing, let it drip off, and I'm gonna do a different pattern. So next, I'm gonna take some blue flood consistency royal icing, and again, I just tinted this and put it in the bottle so it's ready to go. And again, you wanna work quickly. And I'm just gonna do a concentric dot pattern all the way around the cookie. So I'm just gonna come in with my toothpick, and I'm gonna start swirling it. There we go. What a pretty little pattern that is. All right, next, this is my favorite pattern. I'm really excited to show this one. So I'm just gonna use 3 different colors of the flood consistency icing. So I'm just gonna draw a couple lines of each color. And I'm sort of going top to bottom. You can go left to right, however you would like to do it. Once again, with my toothpick, I'm just gonna go left to right, opposite directions each time. Isn't that fun? I love it. I hope you've enjoyed watching me decorate these cookies using royal icing and the techniques that I've showed you here today. I also hope that you are inspired to decorate some cookies of your own at home. Don't forget to visit tasteofhome.com for more ideas on how to decorate cookies and some great cookie recipes.